Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get lucky in Bubblegum Simulator, updated. Focus on event, spawns first, and check timers for double luck windows. Use pets that increase luck percentage and combine boosters strategically. Redeem codes quickly and save boosts for events where you can play actively. Swap lower pets for fusion when you can, and always keep at least one luck boosting pet equipped to maximize every hatch. Use boosters strategically and plan your play sessions around event windows for the best results. Equip pets that grant luck and switch to higher luck combos before hatching. Save premium boosts for times you can play actively to claim every reward. Trade duplicates for upgrades and keep an eye on limited offers that improve your odds. Consistent play and smart timing beat random grinding every time. Trading smart often yields better luck than luck itself, so learn value and demand for pets. Post clear offers, respond fast, and don't be afraid to negotiate for pieces that boost your luck. Use private rooms for big trades to avoid snipes, and always confirm trade details before accepting. Building a reliable network of traders can speed up your progress and help you access rare luck-enhancing pets more often.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.